Hey y'all, today we're gonna be mowing on the farm at my great uncle's house. We're gonna be mowing with our John Deere Z960M, and we're still at the house. He's gonna come get us soon, and then we'll get to it. So we just got out here to the farm. I'm about to drive it over to my great uncle's house, and gotta get some gas into it. Probably let somebody know about that. Yeah, so I think I got to stop. I called my other great uncle and he said to turn the hose, and I got to stop. Full mark, not fuel. But yeah, let's get started and then we'll be ready to roll. So we're about to head over down to my Pop-Pop's house, my grandpa's place, because we don't have any mixed gas over at my great uncle Harry's. So we're gonna go try and find some of that, and then we'll try and get started. So he doesn't have a two cycle can, but we can use these and mix it in with the gas. So we're heading on back down to his house. Harry's mowing and delivering the oil for the weed eaters, so they can get started, and then he should be mowing the whole time while I'm gone, so should have some done, and then I'll finish the rest. Going back down through all this bumpy stuff, going off-road. It's a lot smoother in this truck than it is with that mower. So we got the John Deere stuck. Had to pull it out with the truck. But yeah, tried to slide down the hill more when I tried to pull it out. Almost ended up in the pond. But we made it out. So we just finished everything down here, and now we have everything up there at the house. But yeah, let's go get to that. So this is future me, and this is my brother trying to destroy my camera. And then this is my brother who's going around in circles, you know, having that feeling when you go around the teacups at that amusement park. And back to me mowing. Comment down below if y'all like mowing or weed eating better. Yeah, we're about to mow all this over here, do 3 rounds, and then do some straight rows. So just got finished up. We're about to go down to the pond and get it done. So last time I was here, I used a bucket and a water bottle as a tripod. Now I've got the real deal. Time to pick up some sticks. Stick number 2. So we just finished everything over here. We have a little bit left over here at the garden, and a couple other spots. And then we have to go do this other house way over there. And then that should be about it. We're about to go mow by this fence, so I gotta pick up this rubber piece so I don't hit the fence with it. uncle's house. Now we're gonna do his rental property out here on the farm. So we got everything finished. It ended up taking us like 4 hours or so because we had to do the dam and around the pond and everything. But yeah, it was like a dust bowl out there, as y'all can see by my face. But I hope y'all enjoyed and have a blessed day.